Good afternoon, investors. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Aurora. So I think the correction is done. I think Aurora has pulled back a healthy amount. But how low can Aurora go will be the title of the video. Don't know if people would, people might get pissed off about that. But I honestly believe that this is it. I think this dip in correction was an opportunity. I took advantage of it. I bought some, but I don't know at the end of the day. I don't know if it can drop down further. If it does, it makes it an opportunity. I say worst, absolutely worst case scenario, Aurora drops back down to around 13 USD because that would evaluate the company at roughly 900 million USD. And Aurora is 900 million USD. So Aurora acts as a support for Aurora now. So I don't know, like at the end of the day, I don't know how the stock's gonna move because I don't control the stock price. I think wealthy investors do because there is a massive amount of trading, and I just don't think retail investors can cause, hundreds of millions of shares traded. 102, 97. Today is 44.15, and it's already noon. There's still 2 more hours left of trading, and I think by the end of the day, we could see this thing trade at, I'd say 70 million, maybe 60 to 70 million shares traded today. It's not as high as the other days, but it's still pretty decent. We'll see what happens. This correction was healthy because it was overbought, and now the RSI level has calmed down. The stock is still bullish. The golden cross is happening soon, and the stock will continue to move to the upside, at least in my opinion. For example, Tilray right now is worth more than Aurora, and if I have to put an evaluation between Aurora and Tilray, I would put Aurora as the higher market cap. I believe Aurora should have a higher market cap than Tilray. That's why I think it's a buying opportunity right now. Again, my opinion. So I don't know what rich people are going to do because ultimately at the end of the day, I don't move the stock. I don't think any retail investors really have a say in where the stock price should be moving. So could it crash back down to $9 US, $5 US? Sure. Anything is possible in the stock market. It would create a huge buying opportunity if that's the scenario. Will it happen? Absolutely. It could happen. But will it? I don't think so. I doubt it. But, you never know. You never know in the market. You never know. But anyways, before I continue with the rest of the video, please give me a thumbs up. It might help my channel grow. It might not. But a lot of YouTubers ask for it. So I might as well make it habit to ask for it. So if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button. Anyways, right now Aurora is trading on the Canadian at $20.29. If a retail investor looks at that and be like $20.29 when they used to see Aurora at $1 Canadian, now they see Aurora at $20.29 Canadian. They're not going to buy this stock. They're not going to even touch it. Why? Because it just makes no sense. There's no, their brain won't function like that. Their brain sees $20 and they don't want to buy it because they used to see this thing at $1. So, at the end of the day, that's why I dictate that retail investors are not going to be moving this stock price. Majority of retail investors see the stock price of $20.29. They're not going to buy it. I talked to my friend not too long ago. He is 100% absolute retail investor. I'm like, I told him that I believe that Roy can go to $100. He's like, what? And then I was like, yeah, you should buy some. He's like, I'm not buying any at $20. Or back then it was $15, right? So he's not buying it. So obviously his mentality is, he used to see that $1, now he sees that $20. Of course he's not going to touch it at $20. So, and I'm talking to multiple people. When they see the stock price, they're not going to want to touch it. They're not going to want to touch it at $20.29. So at the end of the day, who moves this stock? Not retail investors. Basically, rich investors are trading this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So if they want to move Aurora up, the rich investors, they will. If they don't, then they don't. But we'll see what happens at the end of the day. I think Aurora is going to move up higher. I could totally be wrong, but that's what I think. We'll see what happens. Like I said, Tilray 1.39 billion. Aurora is 1.025. I think Aurora should have a higher market cap than Tilray, but that's my opinion. Aphria acts as support for Aurora. Aurora won't crash below what Aphria's market cap is. It would need to be some really bad news that comes out for Aurora to crash below Aphria. Canopy Growth, nice day today. Canopy is 6.14 billion. That's why I think it's an opportunity. Either that or Canopy is going to crash. Canopy is having earnings coming up very, very soon. I will probably make a video over the weekend on Canopy's earnings and what my thoughts are. Kronos Group today $1.94 billion. This is Aurora's resistance. I don't think Aurora will pass Kronos Group anytime soon, but let's be fair. If Kronos didn't have the cash they have right now, Kronos would be trading at below Aurora's market cap. They'd probably be trading at like $300 million market cap, maybe 200. They'll probably be trading below Organigram, so they'd be trading in the pennies. The only reason why they're trading at $1.94 billion is because of Arteria's cash injection into the company, which gave it $1.5 billion in cash. So if it wasn't for that, I don't think Kronos would be trading at $5.68. My opinion only. And if Kronos was to have everything Aurora has, they would probably spend all that money plus more. Hexo is down to 53 cents. Not too much to say about that. Kronos should just buy out Aurora and then ask Arteria for more money. Kronos and Aurora combined, boom! You know, that would be a good company combination. They can't afford it. Aurora is only worth what, $1 billion? Kronos has 1.5. That will still leave with Kronos with a lot more money left. So, and Arteria would probably be happy to own Aurora for $1 billion. Hexo crashed today. They raised an additional $30 million. You know, with that additional money raised, $50 million underwritten public offering. With this money raised, I'm slightly more bullish on Hexo because money helps companies survive. So with Hexo raising money, it helps them survive. So I would be more bullish on Hexo. The lower it goes, the more bullish I am. If you want to gamble on Hexo popping another 50% or 100% in the near future, that could be a possibility. We'll see what happens. Nordic American Tankers. Oh man, $4.59. Brutal. We'll see where this goes. Space. I think Space is going down lower. I would say if it hits $14 I would be a buyer. We'll see what happens. True Eve, $1.27. Liberal Health Science today. Ooh, look at that. Up another penny. I do have an investment in this. It's one company I do like. If it drops back down to 40 cents, I may buy some more because let's look at this. Let's just look at this logically. True Eve, a $2 billion company. Yes, they are profitable. Yes, they have the most stores. Yes, they grow the most product, but they're worth $2 billion. Liberal Health Science, $169 million. If they were even to be worth $1 billion, they would be evaluated at, I think, like $3. So that is a huge significant move to the upside. And when Florida becomes legal, where do you think liberal health science will be trading? Not at 49 cents. I think closer to $2. My opinion only. Let's just look in the history. This stock used to be oh, that's so good. Well, it used to be like 80 cents. I think I saw this stock at $2 at one point. So could it get back down up there again? I think so. We'll see what happens. Curaleaf. Oh, look at that. Nice correction. Looks like the market is trading it. Taking the profit. Harvest Health today. 9 cents up. Cresco Labs. Oh, looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Beyond Meat, up $9.16, $139.19. Tesla is up $820. That's insane. That's just, to me, that's insane. But like I said, rich people like Tesla, and they are going to pump Tesla up. So yeah, I can't, that's the reality of it. Aurora, I already talked about Aurora. Ooh, 2070. I bought some shares today at $20. So yeah, I will review my position eventually. Navax down today, $3.37. I think the correction should be underway right now. That's my opinion anyways. We'll see what happens. Volume seems to be very low right now, so I'm thinking it's going to go lower. Could be wrong. We'll see what happens. TK Tankers today down 42 cents. Euronaut down 22 cents today. Nordic American Tanker, look, Jeremy making videos. So a lot of people with videos. $4.60 right now. It crashed, which created an opportunity. Could have made a 3.6% return if you bought it that dip. DHT down 14 cents right now. Not too much to say about that. And the market is slightly green today. Just kind of sideways action. Facebook shops will make it easier to set up a single online store for customer to access Facebook and Instagram. Interesting. Let's look at Bitcoin. Where's the liberal coin that we're gonna make? Bitcoin is trading sideways today, and high blockchain technology, what is that doing? That is 39 cents, 39.5 cents. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.